Booster motor, igniter. Happened why it wasn't working. So when I was unscrewing this gas pipe, I had this wire, thermostat wire, pinned between the PVC pipe and the black pipe, and it crushed it. So when I started playing with it, the inducer motor went on, and that was the problem. Now we have, that's a lot of flame rollout. I don't like that. See that flame rollout? It's a lot. That's the last error code that we had, was the flame rollout. This one snapped. I wonder if the heater core is clogged like we thought. But right now it's running, so I'm happy. We'll see how long it runs. And that's the new gas valve. So done. Let's see how we're doing. There's a lot of flame going up, a lot of yellow flame. So it stinks a bit, better than before, but it gurgles. I don't know if that's normal. And the condensate's coming out nicely now. There was a huge chunk all the way up to it that I melted, or I hit with a hammer. Now it's coming out good. But yeah, it's a pretty strong odor. Better than before, I think. And there's smoke. I just take it out the trash right now. But can you see the smoke? Definitely an improvement from before the new gas valve went in, but I think the exchange is still pretty sooted up, is my read on it. Alright, you see the smoke? Oh, there it is. You see the smoke? I mean, I guess it's normal, it's cold out.